Hello, fellows. Zakia and Monia Chabel, they told me that my work is not available on the platform. They cannot open it. So I decided to post again. But why not starting a tour together using Screen-O-Matic to show how to create it. I consider myself the worst student on technology classes, so you will do a very great job. The first thing you have to do, of course, you have a Google account, and then this is the address, tourbuilder.with google.com, and then it will lead you to this page. When you see this, you click on Create a Tour. When you do it, you have to choose a name. I will write Interesting Places. This is the name I want to give to this tour. And the author, this is Aussie. Okay, then I create my tour. Here is the name of this trip and then the author. What I have to do now is to add location. This is the first step we have to do according to choosing places. So I wanted to show you the Gaibu Beach, Praia de Gaibu. It gives you some options. So Cabo de Santo Agostinho is the city, and then the Google show you the place. Now what you have to do is to add this place to your tour, and then we are going to zoom this place. Okay. And there is something very interesting to do now. When you do it, for example, if you want to show, this is the place you want to show to your students, you click on Shift and the arrows up or down for you to change the view of the picture. Okay? I want to show this. So lock this view. This is the area of the picture you will show when you will present the tour builder, right? So I am satisfied with this, so I click on this. It's done. What I have to do now is to, well, this information, when it starts and when it finishes, most of the people don't use it for classes, right? This is some information that we don't need. And then we can write anything about this. I say, this is a wonderful beach. I said beach, okay? Don't make confusion. Okay, so if I want to upload some photos, I can do it. And if you don't have photos on your computer, you can also search on the net. Okay. And you have some options. I will choose this and this. You can choose whenever you want, as many as you want. You select and then they are here, right? And I have the text. Now what I have to do is to add another location. So from Gaibu, I want to go to the Louvre Museum in Paris. Some options are coming, so I chose this. And once again, the Google will show me the place. And I am going to zoom. And when I zoom this, I will have the image of the Louvre Museum. Okay? Right? So I add it to my tour. So here you can see. And it was on purpose. I did this before add to my tour. And as you can see, the lock this view was not available. because I did something before the action for me to use the lock view. But anyway, this is the complete view you will have to show on your next stop. And I can say, this is a museum that everyone should see. Okay, whatever you want to write, right? And then I add to my tour. Well, from the Louvre Museum, let's go to Itamaracá, Ilha de Itamaracá. This is the place. This is Itamaracá Island. Okay, this is in my state too. It was on purpose for me to choose different places and far places for you to see how exciting it is when the globe moves. And I add to my tour. You can see that the stripes, the yellow stripes, can lead me to the area, to each stop, to each trip, right? And then I want to zoom in. Can you see that I did it before and then the lock view is available now? Here we go. So this is Ilha de Itamaracá. So if I feel satisfied with this picture, okay, remember shift and arrow, you can give different poses. So I say, I am satisfied with this, and then you lock this view. Can you see? Okay, I'm satisfied with this, and then we go Itamaracá. It is a famous island in Pernambuco. Where is it, please? Where is it? It's not available. Okay. It is a famous island in Pernambuco state. Okay? That's it. Once again, if you want to add pictures, you can do it. You search on the net if you don't have pictures available on your computer. All right, here we have. Okay, this is Itamaracá. I want to select just one picture, and here we go. Okay? And then we can have so many trips we want to take, right? So after done this, I finished with this. Save now. Okay? It means that I concluded my tour builder. So let's check if it's available now. Tour builder, and then we start again, and I go to my my tours. When I click on this, I have interesting places, right? Let's go. I have interesting places, and then you remember this is the autonomy, and then we go. The first place is Praia de Gaibu, Louvre Museum, and Ilha de Itamaracá. This is very simple. We come to next, and then we are going to show the picture that we chose. And remember that we used the lock this view. This is exactly what we selected to see. And remember here we can have a long text with explanation about what the teacher wants to show. And then we go. And now we go to the Louvre Museum. And this is what I selected to see. Okay? And then, once again, this is the text. I type it in. For a class, of course, you can use much explanation, of course. And the last one was Ilha de Itamaracá. And that is the picture I still have, because I can use the Google image, but I can also use the pictures that I searched. Here we go. Ilha de Itamaracá, just for you to see. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed it, and try to use it in your classes. I think it will be nice. Yeah, so thank you very, very much. Have fun.